What up, guys? Sam Dog Infamous 253 back at RTC. This car right here, the orange Aventador SV right here. My man Ted right here, once he gets settled, me and my man Ted, we're gonna take you guys for a ride. Right?
Good. Yeah, we do it.
We're gonna take y'all for a ride. All right, so here we go. Aventador SV, the orange one. My man Ted right here. How we doing, Ted?
Doing good.
Yep.
Nice day for a drive.
Yep, nice little day for a drive. Redmond Town Center as usual. Woo. And we're about to hit that freeway loop just like me and Danny did that one time back in 2019. And I'll tell you, my man, he's gonna make me feel it. Yep. Woo. Listen to that engine sound, guys. Listen to that engine. Can't show the speedometer because we don't want to get in any sort of trouble whatsoever. That's rule number one when you ride these cars. You never show the speedometer. Right, Ted?
That's right.
Yep. Ooh, Christian just drove right by us in that green Hurricane. We might have missed it, but yep. Yep. Such a beautiful car. Look at that. Look at that back end, man. Woo. Yeah. So we're just gonna hit that loop right from this side, and then we're gonna go the opposite direction from what me and Danny did a few years back. Yeah.
Because normally we'd go down to the other exit, but because of the train, they have that one closed. So we'll get on here, go down like 2 exits, and then come back.
All right. Woo. Tell you what, man, the hum of the Lamborghini Aventador SV. Listen to that. Listen to that sound. There's no better sounding exotic car than a Lamborghini. Right here. Yep. Saw a couple cool cars when I was out in New York recently too.
Oh wow.
Yep. Had my prime rib, as you probably saw.
Yep.
Ran the Rocky Steps. You guys have seen that video on YouTube.
Oh, yeah.
Granted, it did get a copyright.
Yep, exactly.
And obviously you guys seen the Jadakiss video and the Styles P video. And then saw a really cool Aventador SVJ. They had a supercar shop out in Yonkers, surprisingly, like a repair shop. It was like, I didn't think out in the neighborhood like that they would have that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep. So this Lamborghini Aventador SV, this is a 2017?
16.
2016, oh, year off. All right, I think here comes the best part. Get ready for this, guys. Here comes the best part. We're gonna hit that loop, take a couple of exits. I'm ready to feel it. V12 powered, let's get it. Holy crap! Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Rule number one. Don't say how fast we went there, but did you guys hear that? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about right there. It does not get any better than that, guys. Woo! Woo! Especially with the windows open when you get to hear the true sound. My friend Ted suggested it, I took his word for it. Rolled the windows down, and you got to hear that V12 engine just roar. That is the true power of the beast of this 2016 Aventador SV. Whew. Here we go, here we go, here we go. And then we're gonna hit back the road back to RTC. And I will try to get this video up as fast as I can. Right, we're just gonna pull up right here. Listen to that. Yeah. Whew. So where does Siri end up going to again?
Visiting our parents.
See your parents?
Yeah,
in
over in Northern California.
Bay Area.
Reading.
Reading. I can't believe Zach Wilson got injured last night in the preseason game for the Jets.
Oh, I know. It's crazy.
The rumors that I was talking about, my buddy CG, it turned out it was a PCL injury. We thought it was a torn ACL, and we were thinking maybe that now the Jets might be in the running for the Jimmy Garoppolo sweepstakes.
Yeah.
That'll be very interesting to find out too. I mean, gonna sound like a desperate move, but then again, it's like it always seems like this kind of thing always happens to the Jets of all teams.
Yeah. So we'll turn around, get back on the freeway here.
Right. That's right. Look at that Lamborghini on the steering wheel right there. When you know you're gonna look at that one driving, you know it's awesome. It's just pure awesomeness. I know that feeling from a couple of those cars that I've driven back in high school. 2 Ferraris in one trip, and then, well, 2 different trips. And then I drove a orange Gallardo on a road course at Emerald Downs once in the parking lot.
Oh wow.
I remember that. That was 2015. My man Ted once before he had the orange Gallardo Super Trofeo. I remember. You had the red one.
Red one, yeah.
And then before that, you had an orange one, right?
Yellow Super Leggera.
That's right. It was the Super Leggera, the Gallardo Super Leggera. That red one was pretty cool too. But
Yeah.
this right here, you can't go wrong with the Aventador SV. Nothing tops that. Next time I get down to Vegas, I'm gonna have to drive the Aventador. Also, look at the shirt I got on. I got this recently in New York with these rhinestones. Oh crud! I hope we didn't dredge the car too much.
I got the scrape armor.
Scrape armor?
Yep.
Okay, that didn't sound right. I've just got a little concerned. If there's one thing, don't want to have any damage done to the car, right? Yep. But yeah, I got this shirt over in Staten Island. And this might go good for RTC days for the future, especially with the Lamborghinis.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Whew. Yep. All right. Here we go. Time to make the loop back and. Got this today. Got the Seahawks preseason game at 4 o'clock. Cannot wait to get eye test number 1 and see what the young guys are going to look like.
Oh yeah. Should be a good game.
Yeah, I was talking to Charles Cross and some of the other rookies at the training camp day that I was at. That video's on my channel as well. All right, clear. There's the back engine right there, that V12 engine. Wayne's sick too. I've shown you guys this car lots of times on RTC videos. One hell of a way to retire.
Yes.
But it was a retirement well deserved for you. All right, here we go, back to the freeway. Once these cars get a little bit ahead of us, then you know what that means. Unleash the beast.
Yep.
A lot of 25-mile-per-hour roads in Manhattan.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah, reminds me of Sumner. It was very annoying in Sumner. Wow. Whew. I think I pretty much felt it. You told me you were gonna make me feel it. Now that is G-force, guys. That is pure V12 Italian horsepower right there. Here we go. in and get your spot, and then it's on for the rest of the day. But yeah, I know you guys are always used to me doing a bunch of other car videos, but this is all we had planned to do. This was a surprise today. I was holding back on waiting to tell. I was tempted to tell you guys the community, but I wanted to surprise you that we were going to do this ride. But hey, what better way to do it than a surprise, right? Woo. Do a Lamborghini? All right. Woo. Here we go. Now we're just back on the main roads. Now we'll get back to the show at hand. Once again, Ted, thank you for this, man. Thank you, man.
You're welcome.
Really appreciated this, man. I was looking forward to this ever since you first got this car. But didn't get to quite go fast with Adam and them since it was a showroom car the first time. But now, you made me feel the power.
Yeah.
And I still got the feels. I still got the feels of it.
That's good.
You go fast in cars like this, you will feel it for quite a while. It's like the best thrill ride that you say is not a roller coaster. My buddy TJ once said that when I got him in a Lamborghini once after I did my experience driving that Gallardo once in 2015. It's like, that's the best thrill ride that was not the best thrill ride that I could say was not a roller coaster. All right. Woo! All right, so there you have it. That's their onboard Lamborghini Aventador SV in this 2016 car. Shout out to my friend Ted for taking me in this, letting me ride around this. We're gonna wrap it up in here. Catch y'all later in the next one. If you ain't with it, you ain't infamous.